Hey, YouTube and Tasty Nation, it's DrZ here. I'm a Canadian options trader, and I'd like to do a quick review of a service that I've been following called PatternCast. It's a service that gives signals for buy and sell signals for the market, ticker symbol SPY, so the S&P 500 index. And I'll just go through a quick review. It's run by a guy named Don. I'm a friend of his, and I do recommend his service. He's got a Twitter handle at PatternCast, where he actually puts out the daily signals for free. So you can follow these for free for a limited time. And then the hope is that he would get you to sign up for his service, his paid service. So today, for example, December 29th, he had a sell signal. I got my alert turned on here from Twitter, so it'll buzz me right on my watch and tell me what the signal is for the day. So these are 5 signals per week. Every trading day, there's either a buy or sell signal. So it was a sell signal today. Yesterday was the last signal that came out was a buy, sell, and he's been doing these signals in their current form since November 13th. So I've been following these, cautiously following them like any new strategy that I might look at, and I wanted to track the progress. And so far, it's looking like a pretty damn good service. We've had 28 occurrences, including today, which looks like it's going to be a winner as well. That'll be 29. 68% win rate, 32% loss rate, but really, it's not just the win-loss percentage that's important. It's actually, do you end up with a net profit when you take these trades? So the question I asked here was, well, if you just took these daily SPY signals, PatternCast daily SPY signals, what would happen if you held every trade from the open to the close? So these are just regular market trading hours. And you would have ended up with 15, almost 16 points, right? So multiplier for one contract of /MES, which is the S&P 500 futures, micro futures contract, the multiplier is $5 a point. So you would have made $796 if you had traded this perfectly, held from open to close, executed, all your fills and all that. I've been taking every single one of these trades, at least I tried to, starting from November 13th, every trading day, except the holidays where there was no signals. And I've been doing pretty well on them. I haven't gotten perfect fills on everything, but overall, I think this is a good, positive service. So here's a graph of the P&L of this, all these trades here. So like an equity curve. And, there's a little bit of a drawdown here, but overall, this is a positive return. So I think this is, some really promising results so far. I would recommend it. So you can follow this for free on Twitter. If you do want to sign up for it, Don does have a good deal going on now. He doesn't have much on his webpage right now. It's patterncast.com. But if you do want to ask him any questions about it, just send him an email to patterncast@gmail.com. He's very approachable. He'll answer any questions you have. He can guide you through how you might want to trade these. He hesitates to give any specific trading advice, as anyone would. Just make sure you tell him Dr. Z sent you. And we've chatted about this quite a few times. I'll also post a link to his PayPal service. He's got this deal going, so make sure you mention my name. He'll give you a free 7-day trial, and then it's $77 US for each month after that. So $77, I think it's a good deal. Like I was showing there, if you used one contract of MES, micro S&P, you could make $77 on one trade. The drawdowns are not, there is a drawdown there. So if there's a few losers in a row, you wouldn't want to trade this huge. I'm primarily an options seller, a premium seller. So I don't do directional trades like this as a huge part of my trading account in my portfolio. But, I do like to do a little bit of this, like I would consider this scalping and trading it small and, being able to withstand a little bit of a drawdown, knowing that your win rate is going to be, pretty damn good. 68%, that's kind of what I would aim for on a regular options non-directional trade. So here's the PayPal. I'll put a link there. Feel free to sign up and use my name, and he'll give you this special deal. Yeah, overall, I think this is a good service. I'm hoping Don gets some more customers because he's always saying how his service can be much improved with better algorithms and better programming and things like that if he gets more customers. So I'm always rooting for Don to keep up the good work. All right, thanks.